Keeping track of personal medications is challenging for many people. According to the Annals of Internal Medicine, 20% to 30% of medication prescriptions are never filled, and not taking medications cause approximately 125,000 deaths annually and are responsible for 10% of hospitalizations per year. My team and I decided to create Angel Assist, an intelligent medication tracking assistant to help you keep track of all your medications. Users can easily add and track prescriptions with timely reminders. There's also a natural language compatibility. And lastly, we have real-time doctor monitoring. To build our intelligent chatbot, we used Wit.ai for the NLP, the Facebook Messenger API, Azure Functions in Python, Flask and ngrok for testing, MongoDB Atlas for the database, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for our project website.
Hello, everyone. This is the Wit.ai backend for Angel Assist. And here we have set up a bunch of intents which describe the different types of intents that are in our language flow or in our dialogue flow. The main one, of course, is adding a prescription. And then we have intents that kind of drive the conversation between our user and between the bot. So two types of users can use the bot. So it can either be a patient or a doctor, and our conversation flows that way. The entities, of course, are attached to, we have a bunch of built-in entities as well as some entities which are custom built for our application. Let's take a look at how this would work. Let's say I want to do, I want to take 2 milligrams, or let's say take Advil twice a week. And this identifies this as a prescription intent, and more importantly, it identifies what medication goes on. Driving our conversation, we have we're using the PyWit backend. So here is some code that we wrote in Python. So our bot integrates Python as well as PyWit as well as the Facebook messaging for our backend, and we are testing all our entities here with a test here. So for example, let's go with test, and let's say I want send message 5 year. Thanks for keeping up with it. So this basically identifies this as a message, and it identifies the intent of send message. So this is how we integrated our bot by separating out the intents as well as the different entities associated to drive our dialogue flow.